What if I told you that one small change to your morning routine could completely transform not only your day but also your mental clarity, emotional resilience, and even your physical health? It sounds almost too simple to be true, but this one habit has been backed by science and practiced by some of the most successful people in the world. It's called morning mindfulness, and today, we're diving deep into what it is, why it works, and how you can easily make it part of your life. Let's start by looking at why mornings matter so much. The way you begin your day sets the tone for everything that follows. Think about it. When you wake up late, rush out the door, or dive headfirst into emails and notifications, how does that affect you? You're reactive, stressed, and often overwhelmed before the day even begins. But imagine the opposite, a morning that starts with calm and intention. Studies show that intentional mornings lead to improved focus, better emotional control, and even better decision-making throughout the day. So, what exactly is morning mindfulness? At its core, it's about creating a space for yourself before the world starts pulling you in 100 directions. It doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. It could be as simple as sitting quietly with a cup of tea, writing down your thoughts in a journal, practicing gratitude, stretching while focusing on your breath, or meditating for a few minutes. The goal is to connect with yourself and the present moment before diving into the demands of the day. Now, let's talk science. Why does this work so well? When you start your day with mindfulness, you're activating the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that helps you plan, focus, and regulate emotions. At the same time, you're calming down your amygdala, which is responsible for stress and fear responses. This creates a balanced mental state where you're more in control of your reactions and better equipped to handle challenges. Research has also shown that mindfulness can lower cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels not only make you feel more stressed but can also contribute to weight gain, poor sleep, and even weakened immunity. Starting your day with mindfulness helps keep these levels in check, setting you up for a healthier and more balanced day. But the benefits don't stop there. Morning mindfulness has been linked to increased serotonin and dopamine production, the chemicals in your brain that make you feel happy, motivated, and energized. It can also enhance your creativity and problem-solving skills by clearing mental clutter and opening up space for fresh ideas. For example, many people find that practicing mindfulness in the morning helps them gain clarity on their priorities. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by a long to-do list, they can focus on what truly matters. Entrepreneurs, artists, and leaders often credit this habit for helping them stay grounded and productive. If you're wondering how to start, the beauty of this habit is that it's completely customizable. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. or follow a rigid routine. Start small, just 5 minutes. Here are a few simple ways to practice morning mindfulness. Gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. This shifts your focus to positivity and abundance. Breathing exercises. Spend a few minutes focusing on your breath. This calms your nervous system and increases focus. Intentions for the day. Write or say one thing you want to achieve or how you want to feel during the day. Movement. Gentle stretches or yoga can help you connect your mind and body. Over time, you can expand these practices or mix and match to find what works best for you. The key is consistency. Like any habit, morning mindfulness becomes more effective the more you practice it. What's even more exciting is how this habit impacts your long-term well-being. Regular mindfulness has been shown to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve sleep quality, and even lower blood pressure. It's like a ripple effect. The benefits you experience in the morning carry through to every part of your day and, ultimately, your life. And let's not forget that morning mindfulness isn't just about productivity. It's also about creating a moment of peace and self-care in a world that's constantly demanding your attention. It's a way to reconnect with yourself, recharge your mind, and approach the day with clarity and calm. Tomorrow morning, instead of reaching for your phone or diving into the busyness of life, take 5 minutes for yourself. Sit quietly, breathe deeply, or jot down a thought or two in a journal. It may feel small, but the impact can be profound. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you ever tried morning mindfulness? If not, will you give it a try? Share your experiences in the comments. And for more tips on creating a morning routine that works for you, check the link in the description for my upcoming article, where we'll dive even deeper into life-changing morning habits. You've got this. One mindful morning at a time.